Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for a reliable home treadmill to kickstart your 2025 fitness goals, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the Fit4 Home Healthmade JK04, a motorized folding treadmill that's designed for convenience, compact storage, and everyday use. Let's dive right in. First off, what makes the JK04 stand out? This bad boy features a powerful motor that delivers speeds up to 12 km per hour, making it ideal for walking, jogging, or light running. The folding mechanism is a game changer. It's super easy to fold and store under your bed or in a closet, perfect for small apartments. Plus, it comes with a digital LED display that tracks your time, distance, calories burned, and speed, so you can monitor your progress without any hassle. One of the biggest pros is its quiet operation. You won't disturb the neighbors during your late-night workouts. It's also budget-friendly, offering great value for under $300, and the anti-slip running belt ensures safety and comfort. On the flip side, if you're an avid runner looking for high speeds or incline options, this might not be your top choice. It's more suited for beginners or intermediate users. During my tests, it handled daily 30-minute sessions smoothly, but I noticed it could get a bit wobbly at higher speeds. Overall, the Fit4 Home Healthmade JK04 is a solid pick for anyone wanting an affordable, space-saving treadmill to maintain their fitness routine. If you're just starting out or need something easy to use, I definitely recommend it. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. See you next time.